So let's go for the contents of the session. Basically, this is our second coding session, and we will be doing what you can see here. For beginners, check if you have not done so yet, course 1, units 3 and 5. And you can have a look, it will be interesting, at course 2, unit 1. Unit 3 from course 1 is about basic iterative programming, about for and while. Unit 5 is about file input and output and contains a very important example that will help you with project 1 at the end, putting it all together, air temperature in Zhao Mountain. Okay. Course 2, unit 1 is about lists, and we will see a bit about lists with that particular example too. For more advanced students, you can, of course, have a look at the previous content just in case, but check course 2, unit 3 and the pandas units from last week. Those will help you with task 2 from project 1. In particular, in course 3, there is an example where you can use data structures and pandas and functional programming that will help you with tasks 2 and 3. Okay. So just to be a little bit more detailed, for beginners, the goal that we want to achieve in this session is that you are able to start code project 1. So specifically, open the project notebook, run the cells to download and show the data, click the files in the Colab interface to see what you're working in, this issue that you're working in a remote machine, code a loop similar to those in course 1, unit 5 to print all the lines in a file. Okay. Then, once you have all the lines in the file printed, use the split function to separate each of the lines at the commas and get access to the data for each hour, to the wind direction in this case for each hour. Do, for example, an example and print all the wind direction data from 7 o'clock in the morning. Add the two things together and count, for example, how many times wind direction W for west appears at 7 o'clock and at any moment during the day. For advanced students, do all the same tasks that I have just mentioned, but also open the data as a pandas data frame. Use the count or value count functions in pandas to count the same thing, the occurrences of value W in the 7 o'clock column and in all the data frame. Okay. Create a dictionary, first without pandas and then with pandas to count the number of occurrences in every possible wind direction. Okay. I will do number 1. I will give many indications about number 3. I will not give too many details about number 2, but try and ask me if you have any problems.